So this is the end product from our recycling process. So you can see the type of crumb that's produced. This will go into many of the molded products that we manufacture, but we use a variety of different kinds of material, including some material which is known as tire buffing, which comes in a form which is specific size like this. This is to create different kinds of products, which we'll show in the next stage of manufacturing. Yeah, so you can see here that the product's actually being loaded into the mold. It's just being sorted, and then we'll go under high pressure, high temperature for a number of minutes before it comes out of the mold, and what will come out will be perfect shock pad material. So this is actually the finished product which has recently been manufactured. You can see here that it comes out 15mm shock pad product. This is perfect for underneath gym tiles if it's in a high performing area where heavy weights are being dropped and the comfort is required. Alternatively, this can be used as shock pad underneath artificial grass. Total size is meter by meter. The other products that are manufactured also are the normal gym tiles. This is actually an outdoor tile. You can see we use a different two-layer system here, very smooth surface on the top and a much more coarser material underneath. And you can see here we have drainage areas put on the tiles to allow for water to be moved off in the case that they're submerged in water. But these are outdoor gym tiles. This is using the other crumb type material, also very smooth finish to the product as well.